Welcome to Gelous Tutorials. Today I will explain some reasons your builder gel may be peeling. Let's get into it. The first reason is poor nail prep. Skipping or rushing prep, like not fully removing cuticles, shine, dust or oils, can cause poor adhesion. Always follow our full prep steps before starting your gel manicure. The next reason is not supporting flexible nails properly. Builder gel is rigid, so applying it directly to soft or flexible nails, especially in thick layers, can cause it to lift or peel as your natural nail bends or gets wet. Start with a layer of rubber base coat to add flexibility and support adhesion. If your nails are extremely weak, you may want to use rubber base on its own until they grow stronger. The third, gel touching skin or cuticle. If any coat is cured while touching the skin or cuticle, it can cause lifting as your nail grows out. Always leave a small gap and clean up any product on the skin before curing. To avoid accidental flooding, make sure your base coat and the builder gel stop in the same place. Extending too far with the builder gel increases the risk of product touching the skin or cuticle. The fourth reason is incorrect structure. A bulky tip, sides or base can weaken the nail and lead to peeling or lifting. Without a proper apex, the high point in the center, builder gel may flex or crack under pressure, causing breakage. Aim for a smooth, balanced application. Another reason is skipping shaping after application. Builder gel can sometimes settle unevenly, creating bulk in the wrong areas. If you skip reshaping, poor structure can lead to lifting. After curing, wipe the nail with a lint-free wipe moistened with nail polish remover, then gently file the apex, side walls, and free edge before applying color coat and top coat. The next reason is over-filing. Filing too much when reshaping builder gel can compromise its strength, making it more likely to peel or crack. Use a gentle grit and light pressure, focusing only on uneven or bulky areas to refine the shape without thinning the structure. The seventh reason is color coat and top coat not being capped. The free edge is often filed when you reshape your builder gel. Always cap the free edge when applying your following color coat and top coat to maintain a proper seal. The last reason is if you have square nails with sharp corners. The corners of square-shaped nails are common weak points, especially for beginners. If you're new to gel, try rounding the corners slightly. This reduces stress points and helps prevent chipping or breakage as your nails grow and strengthen. We hope you've found this helpful. If you have any questions, please pop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.